Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You guys are here today with me, Diana, and today I'm back out here again, y'all. About to add to my food forest. Let me show y'all what I found. Boing! Found the pink lemonade. Yes, you guys, I finally found the pink lemonade. The pink lemonade blueberry. I got it from Lowe's. I have been looking for this plant. They did not have it at the Home Depot, and they just had a few of them in my Lowe's. I got the best one I could find. It was $20.98. So I am super excited to get this planted. And if you guys want to come along with me to plant this, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, right here is going to be the home for the blueberry, pink lemonade blueberry. I've ran out of room over here in my blueberry patch. So this is the only other space I can put it because they get, I believe, 5 feet tall and 5 feet wide. So we're going to plant it here. And what I'm going to do is, you can see right here I have some bird netting. I'm going to eventually stretch this bird netting over here and cover this whole area as well. But first, I need to dig this elephant ear up. I'm going to rehome it. I'm going to save my elephant ear because these things get big and beautiful. I'm going to plant it on the side of the house because they don't like a whole lot of sun. I gotta be careful over here, y'all, because this is where that snake was at that I found the other day. So I hope it ain't no creepy crawlies over here. All right. Look what we found, y'all. This looked like a white worm. I never seen a white worm before. Okay, here she go. We got her out. She's intact. All right. Okay. So here is our site, finally. All right, she's heading to her new home. I had to stop and show you guys all these beautiful buttercups. Check them out. Pollinator heaven. My front yard is filled with buttercups. Okay, you guys, so we're going to get ready and plant this blueberry bush, and these are my amendments that I'm going to be using. My soil here is already acidic, so they should do perfect here. Blueberries prefer acidic soil, and you would have to test your soil, which we've tested ours, and ours is acidic. Anyway, so yeah, if your soil is not acidic, you can get an acidifier from your local hardware store or Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. But the blueberries do great here. Let me show you the blueberries I got now. So here are my blueberry bushes I planted about a month ago, with the blooms on them, and check it out. We got blueberries. Tons of them. So this soil here is perfect for blueberries. I don't need to put no type of acidifier in my soil. Here's another one. See the blueberries forming? Right down here. Beautiful. Okay, let's get back to planting. Okay, so we got the hole dug. I'm going to add just a little Epsom salt to this. We're going to add some bone meal. We're going to add some plant food. And did I say blood meal? Bone meal. I keep getting these two confused. But all right. So now we're going to go ahead on and take this out the pot. And I hope it's not root bound. Okay. So here she is. She has a few little berries on them, on here. Yeah, so it needs to come out this pot. I want all my dirt. Because they say that's what you're really paying for. Is the soil. Okay, yeah, this don't look too bad, you guys. Look at that. That looks pretty good. So, I'm going to break it on. Oh. Okay, y'all see what they did? They had this in a smaller pot, and they put it in a bigger pot. Wow, okay. So, we just going to break these roots up so we can let this thing grow and flourish out here with the rest of my blueberries. Break these roots up. Let me put a little water to this. Loosen her up. Gotta loosen her up. Alright, I think she looked good right there. Okay, you guys, so we got her planted. We're going to give her a little more water. Give her a nice soaking. And I'm going to, after I give her this good soaking here, I'm going to put this mulch back around her. There she is. She is complete. I have got her all netted in now. We don't have to worry about no birds or snakes getting my blueberries. So she good. All right, you guys. So I appreciate y'all watching me today plant this lemonade blueberry plant or bush. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye.